Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. For today's adventure, we're going to fix a one-piece Kohler toilet. Keeps running, and we just got to change the flapper, I think. It looks like someone already retrofitted a new flush valve in it from the old days, so they converted it, but we will see when we get there. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell. If you want to talk to this guy, AB, hit him up. What'd you learn today?
Nothing yet. Nothing
yet. Learn how to be on time.
I was on time. I was early.
Okay, you were 5 of.
I was
20 of.
10 of, because CB2 called out.
CB2. MIA. Infraction. We'll see you at the job. The old classic Kohler toilet. Keeps running here. There you go, pal. Put in the classic Kohler ball here because someone already did the old swap out. So there we go. That's right, these go bad, Ange. Oh, look, they asked the wrong one.
Think we got the wrong one?
Go in my truck and, yeah, they gave me the wrong one. I don't think that'll work. In the back of my truck, the left top shelf, you see some hanging. Let me shut this off. I don't think this is going to work, but let me get a picture. Oh, boy. Alright, so we're starting off on the wrong foot already. Let's see what we got, pal. Nope. I don't think it'll work. No leaky. Alright, good. I don't know, they're a little different here. Okay. They're a little different, but let's see what it does here. Chain super long. Oh, Angelo. So you want to be a plumber. Where's the hole in here? Oh, Lord. Okay, boom. Let's see what this does. Every time I turn around, it knocks something over. See that right there? See where it's clean? That's where it's probably leaking. Yeah. You see my orange? My favorite here. You ever see a toilet leak? When a toilet leaks, it just runs continually.
Yeah.
So,
I kind of noticed.
when this thing gets done filling up, there should be no water dripping right there. And I'm not liking the sounds of that already. Unless it's filling up too much. Oh, it is. It's crazy. Hit the overflow. There's an overflow in there too.
Oh, so they want it. They'll stop.
Yeah. If not, it'll go out these holes. So this overflow, hard to see if you look in there. It's going down that. See, the wood should stop right there. Actually too high. All right. Phillips screwdriver, pal. Thank you. So we're gonna make a little adjustment. The flapper did work. I'll tighten this a little bit, make this bulge down a little bit more. I'll talk to the plumber. That's what I do. While we're working over Chelsea. No, he was in the spy house.
Yeah.
He would change time I work.
So you need money?
I'm gonna talk to the brother. I like that. Here we go. Really?
Yeah. We got the toilet fixed, the Kohler one piece. After striking a miss on the wrong flapper, I went and got the other one. We got her done. The toilet's a little tired, but it looks like someone had did a retrofit in there already. He was happy, I'm happy to get out of there. So with that, what do we say? You got this one? Yeah.
These guys are soft. Anyway, and there goes another satisfied customer. We'll see you at the next job.